In today's video, we're going to show you how to factory reset the Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robotic Vacuum. Whether you're running into issues or just setting it up for someone new, we'll walk you through the whole thing step by step. So let's get right into it. You might want to reset your Eufy vacuum if it's having trouble connecting to Wi-Fi, if you're switching phones, or if you're handing it off to someone else and want to start fresh. Here's how to do the factory reset. It's actually super quick. First, look for the two main buttons on the vacuum itself, the home button and the spot cleaning button. Press and hold both of those buttons at the same time. Hold them down for about 3 seconds. You should hear a voice prompt that says something like, "Wi-Fi has been reset." That's your signal that the factory reset worked. Once you hear that, go ahead and let go of the buttons. At this point, the vacuum has been fully reset. All your previous settings are wiped, including your Wi-Fi setup and any scheduled cleanings. So make sure you're ready to start from scratch before doing this. From here, you can go back into the Eufy app and set it up like it's brand new. After the reset, make sure the vacuum is placed properly on the charging base so the setup process goes smoothly. A strong Wi-Fi signal will help the device reconnect without issues, so try setting it up closer to your router if you've had connectivity problems before. Resetting also helps remove glitches that may have built up over time, giving the vacuum a clean starting point for better performance. If you still run into issues afterward, check for app updates or clean the sensors to help the vacuum operate more reliably.